Can you hear me? Okay. So today our you can see here is our homework during these days. We have 10 class about training and have eight eight homework. So here today if you have today the mainly purpose is to answer your question during your testing, during you doing this homework, because our family exam will according to our training and according to this day homework. So I help you all of you can pass the exam and give and uh, get our get our certification. Sorry, what do you mean? Sending this list to per email. What's per email? What is homework? This homework list I have sent it to WeChat and WhatsApp group. Okay, you're right. And I can also send this list to your email. And for your homework, for your homework you submit to me, I think I've already reply all email you sent to me. So if you get the reply, you will see I have already checked your homework. But if you didn't get the reply, maybe the email didn't send to my email. Maybe your homework didn't send to my email successfully. So you can check again and send it again. And also some people's link about the homework video, the link is not take effect. So I also reply you to send the link again or send the video to me in another way. Okay, so and I have already for your homework, I've checked most of you finished it correct. Yes, only a few people made me maybe misunderstanding the our homework and make it wrong. And I have already tell you. And from our exam time is from this Friday to next Tuesday. So here you have totally 5 days to finish with the final exam during these 5 days. And in these 5 days, you have 3 days, 3 working days. So I think, and also for our exam content is according to our daily homework, and also according to our presentation. So I think it will be not difficult for you, but you need to spend some time uh, to connect PLC or connect servo to do the homework. And also, sorry, to do the exam. And also the homework is also important. So how to say, if you join our finally exam, and maybe you have, maybe you pass it, but you didn't submit the homework, so we will not give you certification also. And we have, in another words, if your homework is less than 6, will not get our certification. So then this is homework is our requirement for you. So it's important. And for the you only have one chance to finish it the exam. I mean, if you use different, if you how to say, if you join the exam 2 times or 3 times, we also take the first time result as your point. So you don't need to, and you don't need to join many times, because we only check the first one as your result. Okay, so here our first homework is using Modbus RS485 to modify the parameter of our driver, and use SC tool to read the parameter. So you need to use our cable, or if you use our cable, it will be easy. You just need to connect PLC or connect HMI to servo, and check our Modbus address of driver. And for Modbus address, you can get it in Wacom Support Center. Here have the list of VD2. Here have the Modbus address of all our parameter here. And only one thing you need to notice is for 32 bits, you need to set the reading length as 2. But for 16 bits, you need to set the reading length as 1. This is Modbus address. If you are not using our cable, you make cable yourself, then you need to check this wiring of RS485. So in fact, you only need to connect these two pin number, pin 1 and pin 2. And second homework is use PLC to control our driver in position mode, and set list P0 and 16 as 5,000. Default value is 10,000, and here I ask you to set it as 5,000. So 5,000. Here, if we want to rotate our driver forward 5 circle and reverse 5 circle, so we can see we need to send 25,000 poles for forward rotate, and also send another 25,000 poles to driver to do the reverse rotation. But the difference is, for reverse rotation, we need to change the direction output. And in PLC, you can use DDRVI or DDRVA, these 2 instructions to do it. For the wiring, you need to For the wiring, we also have the how to wire between PLC and the driver in our position control presentation. So if you forget how to connect when you do the exam, you can check the presentation. Okay, I think it's yes here. This wiring, NPN wiring, how to connect post output and direction output to driver. And for day 3 homework, is use internal position mode and here rotate our motor and 500 and 1000 RPM for a 4 while, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then change the speed to a negative 1000 RPM and run same time, and set the acceleration and deceleration as 1 second. So what we need to set is how to finish it list. First, here control mode, we need to select speed control, and for control parameter, here speed command we use default setting 0, and for the speed we can set this internal speed command 0 as 1000 at the beginning, and use PLC to enable the servo. You can connect to a Y terminal to our DI to enable the servo. Then the servo will begin to run in 10 in here. We begin to run with this internal speed 0, and we set it as 1000. And in PLC, you can add a timer, for example, to timer 5 seconds or 6 seconds. And when the timer is achieved, when the time is achieved 5 seconds, then you can use modbus communication to change this speed to negative 1000. So the motor speed will change to negative 1000. And also you can add another timer when the servo run in this speed for 5 to 10 seconds. You can stop the motor. You can change this speed to 0, or you can directly disable the servo. All these 2 ways can stop our motor. And for acceleration and deceleration time, it's 1 second. So you can set these 2 parameters. Acceleration. You can set this acceleration and this deceleration time as 1000, because here 1000 ms means from speed from 0 to 1000, and our target speed is also 1000. So we can set this as 1000 ms. This is our day 3 homework. For day 4 homework is torque control. As I said, when we use the torque control, we need to set the speed limit. Otherwise, if the torque setting value is bigger, it is a big value, the motor will continue to speed up, and finally report a overspeed error, and it's dangerous. So we need to first set the speed limit and increase the torque from 0%. When we set the 0%, means motor axis will have no torque is left, so you can rotate the axis just like the servo is disabled. And for example, if we change it to 1%, 2%, maybe when you change it to 5%, the motor will begin to rotate in a slow speed. And when you increase this torque step by step, you can see the speed will begin to speed up and speed up, and finally the speed will be limits and 1000 RPM. And so this is our day 4 homework. For the homework day 5, it's also easy because in video, in our training video, and also when we in our training, I have shown you how to do it this step. You need to use our SC tool and this debugging function. First, click this button to enable the servo, and then click this two button to forward or reverse to rotate more than 2 cycles. And after this step, we can see this initial identification button will light up, and we directly click this button. The motor will begin to rotate according to our modes of movement. If you set it as forward reverse, you will see the motor will begin to forward rotate and reverse and forward and reverse and increase its time step by step until the speed achieve this max speed we set 2000. The motor will stop, and here SC2 will give you the initial ratio. So you will get the initial ratio. And after this step finished, you click this next step. Next step, there will be another button to use for this rigidly safe tuning. So this is our day 5 homework. Day 5 homework don't need to connect HMI or PLC. And the day 6, we don't have homework because in day 6, I introduced some key parameter about our driver. But the presentation is important, so you can. In the finally exam, there will be some question about our key parameters. So maybe you can find the answer in our presentation. No, it's hard for you. Sorry, it's easy for you, I think. Don't be worried. If you can finish our homework normally, you can also pass our final exam. And for day 7, our homework is about mixed control mode, and I tell you to select this speed and torque control mode. So first we are here. First we are running in speed control mode, and our target speed is 600 RPM, and you need to you can see with these accelerations, what does it mean? It means our motor should take 10 seconds. Should take 10 seconds to achieve 600 RPM. So you will see need 10 seconds to achieve 600 RPM. So it will take about 16.6 seconds to achieve 1000 RPM. So what I mean is we should set we should set this parameter acceleration time. We should set this parameter as 16.6 seconds. So we should set this parameter as this value. And our motor will begin to speed up from 0 to 600 RPM with this homework, with this acceleration. But for this part, I checked the homework, and most of you didn't. I think you didn't set the correct acceleration time, so the motor will achieve 600 RPM immediately. That's the reason, because the reason is you didn't set this parameter P1 and 3 correct. Okay, so this is the first step. And the next, here when the speed achieves 600 RPM, we need to change the motor, change the driver to torque control mode. So how will we know? How will we know the speed is achieved this target position? We can use our DO function. Here have a position speed near. Here you can use this function code 136 to know to this signal to output, and use PLC to receive this signal. If PLC receive this signal, it means the speed have already achieved 600, and then we can use PLC to output one YX to output one signal to our driver to change the mode, change the control mode. So here in driver, we can use one DI and set its function code as 16. So with this setting, our motor will change to torque control, and the torque value is 5 rated torque. So this is our day 7 homework. And for the speed, when you change to torque control, the speed will normally will slow down according to the load. If you are connecting a load, maybe the speed will slow down to 0. But if you are running without load, maybe the speed can keep in 300 or 400 and running. It depends on the torque. For our driver, for example, for 750 watts motor, if there are no load connect to our motor, usually we need about 5% rated torque or 4% rated torque to make our axis begin to rotate. This is for different motor, this value will be different. And our day 8 homework. Day 8 homework is about internal position mode. And here we have 5 segments. So 5 segments, we need to use 3 DI. 3 DI and set its function code as 21, 22, and 23. So with 3 DI, we can get max to 8 segments, and 5 segments is enough. So first you need to configure 3 segments, 3 DI as 21, 22, and 23. And for example, for segment 1, means this 3 signal is 0, 0, 0. And for segment 1, we need to here rotate 10 turns. 10 turns, for example, if here P0 and 16, we use default value 10,000. So here in group 7, we need to set the first segment displacement as this value 100,000. 100,000 means 10 turns, and the speed 120 RPM. You can set the speed here directly. And the waiting time is 2 seconds. So you can set this P7 and 11 as 200. Sorry, 2000 ms. This is the setting for first segment. And for other segment, the setting is same. Only the difference is if for forward we need to set the segment displacement as a positive value. And for reverse rotate, for example, this one, 6/10, we need to set this value segment 3. So here, for segment 3, we need to set the position as negative 60,000. Yes. This is our day 8 homework. And our last homework, day 9 homework, is internal speed. And I think internal speed is easier than internal position, because we have less parameter to set. We only need to set here from here internal speed 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set them as 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, and 400 and 400. But we need to note it. We need to note the direction. For forward, we need to set positive 100, and the reverse we need to set negative 100. So after this speed setting, we just need to use our DI. DI here, set 3, list 3, 6, 13, 14, and 15. We need to use all 3 DI inputs, because here we need to run 8 segments of speed. And you can change the DI order of these 3 DI according to our presentation. In our presentation, there are a table. Table show you what's the speed according to the DI status. The table, yes, here is the table about the speed, about the DI setting. Okay, so this is all our 8 days homework. And yes, and that's all. So please, because some of you didn't maybe only submit 3 days or 4 days homework. So you please submit the other homework to my email as soon as possible. Okay. And our servo training for VD2 is only a start. So I mean you need to spend more time on your application to make yours how to say to solve the question and meet the challenge when you in your work in the future. So for VD2 servo training is this is our VD2 series servo training, and in the future, maybe next 2 months, maybe we will consider to open another series training about VD3E. And we will, if we have the class, we will, yes, because we want all of you can know our products and use our products where, and also you can teach your client to for our driver. Yes. Okay, so this is our today's training, and hope all of you can pass our finally exam and get our product training certification. Yes, you're right. We will also try to arrange other product training for six areas with this three in the future. Okay, that's our today's training. Thanks for your attending, and see you next time. Okay, goodbye and have a nice day.